Your Chrome probably looks boring, but what if you could turn it into something futuristic, useful, and actually productive? This is Brahma OS, an AI-powered operating system inside Chrome that turns your new tab into a complete smart workspace. Instead of a useless blank tab, you get a powerful dashboard with a smart command bar and quick launch dock for everything you use. It even adapts to what you're doing, with modes like Study, Gaming, and Developer, each with its own look, glow, and tools. And the best part, it works on any website. You get a floating AI assistant that helps you instantly. You can also just highlight anything and instantly explain it, summarize it, rewrite it, or search deeper. You also get built-in notes, save text, images, and keep everything inside your browser. It even remembers things for you, save pages, text, or sources, and your AI agent can use them later. To install it, download from the link in my description. Go to File Explorer and extract the folder. Once done, go to Chrome Extensions, enable Developer Mode, click Load Unpacked, and select the dist folder. For AI features to work, you will need Google API Key. For this, click on Get API Key Redirection below. Now in Google AI Studio here, click on Create New API Key, create a key, then copy the key and paste it in the dialog box. And yeah, that's Brahma OS. Chrome, but actually useful. If you like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.